This site is near to Lahore University of Management Sciences, LUMS, TH Lahore. Here we have installed 22 panels of CanadianSolar 580 watts. These panels are attached with two inverters. One is Solis 10 kilowatt ongrid and second is 6 kilowatt Solax hybrid system. The structure is attached with 14 gauge galvanized structure. Lighting arrestor is also attached with this system. These are bificial panels of CanadianSolar 580 watts. These bificial panel can also generate good amount of electricity with reflection of sunlight. Eight panels are attached with the hybrid inverter, and rest 14 panels are attached with on-grid system Solis 10 kilowatt. So this is a short review of solar system. Thank you.